Hey everybody, welcome back to Kilo Sports Cars Box Breaks. I have another opening for you tonight, and it's the Rookie Explosion Baseball Box. This is put out by Filmington, and he does two baseball boxes actually, and a football box. This is the lesser priced, I guess you call it, version of baseball, but you do get more packs in this one. That's why I like it better. I've seen nice stuff pulled out of both of them. I've actually pulled nice stuff out of this one. And if you're not too familiar with Filmington, well, there's peanut stuff at the bottom of that box. Here is the website. The website. Instagram is where he puts the one-time purchase when it's available. It is hard to get a subscription because they are sold out most of the time, at least for baseball. But he does, usually in the beginning of the month, he puts out a post on Instagram and on Twitter, I think, saying that the one-time purchase is available, because he does have a few. I mean, it's not, well, it's more than a few, but it is limited in number also. He also does a really nice list of what rookies are in which pack, so I won't go over this whole thing, but we at least have something to look back on if I can't remember who is in which year, which usually the older stuff. I'm not as well versed in the older stuff, so, but it's always a really nice pack lineup. You get a nice variety of different years to be able to pull some of the better rookies out of each year. So let's see what packs we got. We have a 2014 Bowman draft, and we're looking for Rafi Devers, Trey Turner, and Kyle Schwarber in there. 2018 Series 2, which I think is Shohei, right? Yep, Shohei, Acuna, and Soto. Let me see and put these. So these I usually go kind of just by year, unless there's like a really nice pack that, like for a Trout or something like that, I'll do last. 2018 update is going to be Soto, Ohtani. Oh wait, this is Series 2. Series 2 is going to have Acuna with the Acuna short print bat down and the Shohei. This is update, and that's going to have this Soto, Ohtani, or Acuna. Okay, I get those mixed up. And then we have 2019 Heritage, which is going to be Tatis and who else? Vladdy and Austin Riley and Pete Alonso. So that's high number, 2019 high number. So put that there. 21 Chrome's gonna be Bo Bichette and those guys. No, he's 2020. 21 is just gonna be Jimenez, Chisholm, Kalenic, Hayes, Adele, Carlson, and Kirk. That's right, that's the one that's not the greater class, so there isn't any 2020. 2022 Bowman draft is going to be Chiriot, or I don't know how you say his name, Chiriot, Lawler, Cruz, Mayer, and Wood. Those I'm still kind of learning 2022. We've got Prism, 2022 Prism, which is going to have Wander. This might be okay. So this is going to have Wander, Franco, Wander and Franco. It's going to have J-Rod, Wander, Pena, Bobby Witt, the usual guys. So everybody's good. All the good rookies will be in here. 2022. So I'll do that one last, I guess, just because I don't know the new ones as well. 2022 Topps Chrome, same thing. This is usually it's a light pack, I think, which is better. Oh no, this is update. Yeah, this is update. Okay, so update is going to have all those guys. right? Wait, no, I'm confused. This is top, no, this is Topps Chrome Light. Okay, I'm so confused. So Light is gonna have all the good rookies. It's the regular Topps Chrome that doesn't have them because they forgot to put them in or whatever that deal was. All right, so we'll do that. I'm sorry, I'm so confused. 22 Chrome Update. Here's Chrome Update, and that will have all of them also. So let's do that one after. Okay, and then we have 22 Minor League, Heritage Minor League, which that's going to have Wander and... Is that just... No, not Wander. 22 Heritage Minor League. No, that's all those guys. God, I'm getting so confused. I guess we'll just find out when we pull, if we pull one. I'll look and see if it's on here. Oh my God, I'm so confused. All this, I just started getting back into baseball, so a few years ago, and I'm still learning all this update and series 1, 2, and all that stuff. So okay, then we have 2022 update. I just can't keep them all like who's in what. That's basically what I have a problem remembering for some reason. All right, so 2022 update is going to have all of them. Okay, and that's a pretty decent pack. So I guess like I said, it doesn't really matter with 2022. We'll do this. All right, kind of just go in order. Okay, so 2014 Bowman Draft. This is the one with Devers, Trey Turner, and Kyle Schwarber. Okay, did I bump the camera? Maybe I did. Okay, here we go. Now that I've spent 20 minutes trying to figure everything out. All right, starting off with Forrest Wall first. Lucas Sims. We have a mini of Hunter Harvey, future of the franchise. It's a little mini. Jacob Lindgren first. Kyle, oh, there we go. Kyle Schwarber first. Chrome, nice. Nick Wells and Nick Williams. All right, so I'd say that's a win. Definitely a nice first there. At least good. It was a Chrome also. All right, 1 for 1. All right, Topps up or 2018 update. Okay, we got Yan Gomez, Leonis Martin, Willie Adames, that's not a bad one. Starlin Castro, it's a gold Starlin Castro out of 2018. Too bad that's not a rookie. Storybook Endings, Cal Ripken, that's pretty cool. Fernando Romero, rookie. Bryce Harper, All-Star Game. Aaron Judge, All-Star, and Braxton Lee, rookie. Okay. All right, 2018 Series 2. We have Drew Smiley, Jose Ozuna, Gerardo Pera. I'm never sure which letters are silent in some of these names. So Kurt Suzuki, Kyle Hendricks. We have an insert of Darryl Strawberry, Long Ball Legends. Jeff Hoffman, Lucas Duda, Curtis Granderson, Cole Calhoun, and National Baseball Card Day flyer. Okay, and then I usually go back through after the video and see if there's any short prints that I missed, but I usually put a caption in the video when I post it. That way I let you know if there was a short print. Okay, this was this 2021 Chrome. Yeah. Alright, so we have Gio Urshela, Jordan Alvarez, our refractors. Oh no, it's not a refractor, it's behind it. Jacob deGrom, and then we have a sepia. I think that's sepia. Charlie Blackmon. Yeah. I don't know why I keep thinking that's a refractor. Alright, high number, Heritage high number, 2019. Brett Gardner, Jake Cave rookie, Marwin Gonzalez, Martin Maldonado. Oh, we got a chrome, Charlie Morton is our chrome, and that is out of $9.99. Yep. JT Realmuto, Avisel Garcia, Michael Brantley, and Rio Ruiz. So nothing crazy besides the chrome. I'm pretty sure there won't be something else if there's a chrome in there. Okay, 2022 Heritage Minor League. Okay, we got Darren Baker, Joshua Bays, Andy Pages. Oh, we got an auto, Jackson Merrill. Almost missed it. It's pretty cool. Awesome. And I have heard of him, so I think he's pretty decent. All right. Elijah Tatis, Nando's brother, Makar Perez, Yolkoi Cespedes, and Jordan Walker. All right, cool. All right, Topps Chrome. I think this is the light one. Is this the light? Yeah. I think this is the light. Oh, I gotta remember what the Judge and the Goldschmidt. For 5X. Alright, so we have Yadi Molina, Kyle Seager refractor, Jordan Alvarez, New Classics. Is that what that says? I guess that's what that says. Refractor. I don't know if these are all refractors, but okay, nice insert. And then an Acuna. So no buyback. All right, 2022 Bowman draft. This has all the guys I can't pronounce. Oh, well, what the heck? Oh, that's one of the lavas on the back. Ooh, I think we got a gold too. What the heck is going on? Oh, they turn all the paper around. All right. Well, we got gold, I think. Okay, Robbie Snelling, Yordani De Los Santos, Gabriel Hughes, Justin Campbell, there's Blaze, Kumar Rocker, and then our chromes. Let's see, I'm going to put this. Oh, everything's all flipped around with this going on. Let me put these here. There we go. Okay. Connor Prilip, Roberto Campos, Henry Bolte, Alexis Hernandez, Dalton Rushing, and then our chromes. God, that there's something all over that card. Parker Messick, Owen Murphy. Should we put this? Put these in front of the gold too. Okay, Hunter Barco, Jacob Marcy. That's a refractor. And then our lava is Zach Neto. And Jordan Sprinkle is our gold. I guess that's gold lava. Yeah, 75. Alright, well, let me sleeve these up. And I'm not sure on him. I haven't heard of him, but he's a shortstop. It is a first, so it can't be too terrible. And then I'll save up this one and the refractor. So not too bad. Got a refractor, lava, and a gold. I think it's either gold or yellow. Not sure on some of these. If it's out of the numbering's weird on baseball because usually the golds are like 5 out of 50. Oh, I won't put the refractor up there. Just sleeve it up. All right. All right, 2022 Prism. Okay, we have Otto Lopez, Jake Myers, Nathan Eovaldi. Oh, there's a Bobby Witt. Eloy, Colton Welker, Jack Lopez, Mike Trout, King Griffey Jr., Old School, Raymond Laureano. We got a silver of Camilo Doval, and then a Edward Cabrera rookie class. All right, sleeve up the Bobby Witt. Even though I don't know if these base cards are much, but still, it's Bobby. Oops. Go. All right, Topps Chrome update. All right, we got Joey Wentz. We got purple. This might be retail, that's why. Joey Wentz rookie, Chris Bassett, Andrelton Simmons, and our purple Sergio Romo. All right, last pack, update, 2022 update series. Feels really heavy for some reason. There's a lot of cards in here. Oh, we got some color. All right, we got Ian Kennedy, Familia, Joe Dunano, Archie Bradley, Jonathan Loisiga, Dancing in Detroit, Aaron Sabali, Harold Ramirez, George Kirby debut, Carlos Rodon is our orange, and that is out of 299, orange foil, Chad Green, Aaron Bummer, rookie combos for the for Oakland, and rookie combos for the Cubbies. All right, so that is it. Let's do a little recap. All right, so we got a Bobby Witt rookie, Zach Nato Lava, first Bowman. We have a Jordan Sprinkle first, gold. I guess it's gold lava. Does it look the same? No, maybe not. It's got some kind of pattern in it though. It's numbered as 75. I think it's gold lava. And then we have a Jackson Merrill autograph out of Heritage, minor league, and then a Kyle Schwarber rookie first. Kyle Schwarber Bowman Chrome first. So pretty sweet. All right, so that is it for the Rookie Explosion Baseball January box. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed the video, and I will definitely have more for you. And see you on the next one. Have a good night. Bye.